student, welcome to Gyan Kiran. In this session, I would like to explain about sexuality in organisms. That is, sexuality in organisms. To understand sexuality in organisms, we have to focus on certain terms like sexual dimorphism. Dear student, in general, all sexually reproducing organisms exhibit sexual dimorphism. All sexually reproducing organisms, those organisms which are capable of producing organisms sexually, possess sexual dimorphism. Then, what actually mean by sexual dimorphism? Dear student, it means phenotypic difference between sexes. It is nothing but phenotypic difference between sexes. In the sense, you can easily identify which is male and female. You can easily distinguish which one is male and female only on the basis of morphology of that organism. So, phenotypic difference between sexes. It's very simple. Phenotypic difference between sexes is nothing but it is you can easily identify which is male and female looking at the morphology of that organism. This is what is known as phenotypic difference between sexes. And if the species is exhibiting sexual dimorphism, then the phenotype of the male is different from the phenotype of female. That is, if you find sexual dimorphism, in case of sexual dimorphism, what happens? The phenotype of the male is different from the phenotype of female. Dear student, on the basis of sexuality, we can classify the plants mainly into bisexual and unisexual. Remember, this type of classification is mainly based on the sexuality. Let us understand bisexual and unisexual type of plants. Bisexual type of plants are those which are having male and female reproductive structures on the same plants. Unisexual type of plants are those which are having male and female reproductive structures on different plants. In the sense, in case of bisexual plants, male and female reproductive structures are located on the same plants. Male and female reproductive structures are found on the same plants. But whereas in case of unisexual plants, male and female reproductive structures found on the different plants. This is how we can classify the bisexual and unisexual plants on the basis of presence of male and female reproductive structures respectively. Dear student, let us understand the terms pistillate and staminate. Here, staminate flower means flowers that contain only male reproductive structures. Remember, flowers that contain mainly male reproductive structures, only male reproductive structures, are known as or considered as staminate flowers. Remember, in staminate flowers, only male reproductive structures are present, and pistillate flowers are those in which we will find only female reproductive structures. That is, flowers that carry only female reproductive structures are called as pistillate flowers. Dear student, now based on the type of flowers that are present on a plant sexuality is defined as monoecious, or else it is classified as monoecious and dioecious condition. So here in case of monoecious condition, both male and female flowers are present on the same plant. Both male and female flowers are present on the same plant. For example, cucurbita and coconut. In case of dioecious condition, both male and female flowers are present on the different plants. Remember, in monoecious condition, both male and female flowers are present on the same plant, but here both the male and female flowers present on different plants. For example, papaya and date palm. Dear student, observe the picture which is representing monoecious condition of plant. Here, a Cara is an example. See the picture in which flower itself is unisexual, but both and both male and female flowers located on the same plant. That is, female sex organ, female reproductive structure, and male sex organ, that is antheridium, male reproductive structure. Female reproductive structure oogonium, male reproductive structure antheridium. Both are present or located on the same plant. Dear student, now based on the type of flowers that are present on a plant sexuality is defined as monoecious and dioecious condition. Here, in dioecious condition, that is, this is the condition in which what happens, the male flower are born on the male plant and female flowers on female plant. So here, male plant will exclusively carry male reproductive organ, that is male flower, and female plant will exclusively carry female flower. This is the dioecious condition of plant. So that these conditions are mainly decided on the type of flowers that are present on a plant. So that the plant sexuality is defined as monoecious condition or dioecious condition. Thank you, students.